Hello everyone. In this video I'll show you how to set up and use references in Sqlite-gui. It can be very useful if you often works with same databases. Here is a default database, bookstore. Very small and simple, but enough for a video purpose. Let's open the orders table. As you can see, the table has the customer ID column. This column is a foreign key to customers table. Generally we should execute another one query to obtain a reference data. But Sqlite-gui provides a more simple way to do it. Just hold Alt button and click by a value. It also works for employee ID column. Okay, let's open another table, order books. It contains details about orders and has two referenced columns, order ID and book ID. For order ID, a tooltip has simple IDs. This is not very convenient, so let's fix it. Settings are stores in prefs database. This database is attached as preferences. We need the refs table. I hold Control button and click by the table name. Here are records built automatically by foreign key references. If you don't have any foreign keys in your database, you'll not see any rows. But you can add them yourself. To extend and order information, we need to edit an appropriate query. The auto-generated query is this. After adding names and phones, we have this. Let's save it and check the result. Thanks for watching.